Hey Cortana, what is straight out of Compton?
I found this for you.
Hey Cortana, what is Game of Thrones?
9 noble families fight for control of the mythical land of Westeros. Political and sexual intrigue is pervasive. Robert Baratheon, Mark Addy, King of Westeros, asks his old friend, Lord Eddard Stark, Sean Bean, to serve as Hand of the King or highest official. Secretly warned that the previous hand was assassinated, Eddard accepts an order of business to investigate further. Meanwhile, Queen Cersei Lannister's family may be hatching a plot to take power. Across the sea, the last members of the previous and deposed ruling family, the Targaryens, are also scheming to regain the throne. The friction between the houses Stark, Lannister, Baratheon, and Targaryen, and with the remaining great houses Greyjoy, Tully, Arryn, Tyrell, and Martell leads to full-scale war. All while an ancient evil awakens in the farthest north. Amidst the war and political confusion, a neglected military order of misfits, the Night's Watch, is all that stands between the realms of men and icy horrors beyond.
Hey Cortana, who is Pikachu?
Sorry, I'm not able to help with this one yet.
Hey Cortana, what's a Pikachu?
Pikachu is a fictional species in the Pokemon media franchise. Designed by Atsuko Nishida and Ken Sugimori, Pikachu first appeared in the 1996 Japanese video games Pokemon Red and Green, created by Game Freak and Nintendo, which were released outside of Japan in 1998 as Pokemon Red and Blue. Pikachu is a yellow, mouse-like creature with electrical abilities. It is a major character in the Pokemon franchise, serving as its mascot and as a major mascot for Nintendo.
Hey Cortana, who is Elon Musk?
Elon Reeve Musk FRS is a business magnate and investor. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX, angel investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated, founder of The Boring Company, and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. With an estimated net worth of around $262 billion as of September 10, 2022, Musk is the wealthiest person in the world according to both the Bloomberg Billionaires Index and Forbes Real-Time Billionaires list.
Hey Cortana. Never mind.
Sorry, I can't help with that.
Hey Cortana, who are the X-Men?
According to Wikipedia.org.
Hey Cortana, what's the X-Men?
Excellent has 2 distinct meanings. As an adjective, it means extremely good. Or as a term, it means used to indicate approval or pleasure.
Hey Cortana, what is Marvel?
Marvel has 2 distinct meanings. As a noun, it means a wonderful or astonishing person or thing. Or as a verb, it means be filled with wonder or astonishment.
Hey Cortana, who is Spider-Man?
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that yet.
Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana, what is Spider-Man? Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana, what is Spider-Man?
Spider-Man means a U.S. cartoon, TV, and film character who develops special powers, such as great strength and the ability to cling to surfaces after being bitten by a radioactive spider.
Hey Cortana, what is The Lord of the Rings?
The Lord of the Rings is an epic high fantasy novel by English author and scholar J.R.R. Tolkien. Set in Middle-earth, intended to be Earth at some time in the distant past, the story began as a sequel to Tolkien's 1937 children's book The Hobbit, but eventually developed into a much larger work. Written in stages between 1937 and 1949, The Lord of the Rings is one of the best-selling books ever written, with over 150 million copies sold.
Hey Cortana, what is the X factor?
I've got this for you on what is the X factor.
Hey Cortana, what is Jersey Shore?
I've got this for you on blue, what is Jersey Shore.
No, hey Cortana. Hey Cortana, who is Beavis and Butthead?
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that yet.
Alright, you get it. Cortana's fun.